Dear student, in this video we will learn worksheet 2 of unit 8, angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of equilateral triangle. So class 7, subject maths, unit 8, triangle and its property, triangle and its property, triangle and its property. Now first is angle sum property of triangle, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle. Statement: the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Proof: suppose we have a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. We extend side BC to X and name them. Angle A is angle 1, angle B is angle 2, angle C is angle 3, and the exterior angle B angle 4. Here given that a triangle ABC, BC produce to X, BC produce to X, and let angle A is equal to angle 1, angle B is equal to angle 2, angle C is equal to angle 3, and angle ACX is equal to angle 4. To prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. To prove that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Proof: since we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4, sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. So sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. This is first equation. Again, here angle 3 and angle 4 make a linear pair, and we know that sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. By which property? By linear pair. By linear pair. This is the equation 2. In equation 2, 2 implies angle 3. In place of 4 we can put angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree using 1. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is angle sum property of triangle. So in a triangle, sum of all angle is 180 degree. Sum of all angle is 180 degree. Now note, in equilateral triangle all the sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degree. There is one note: in an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and each angle is 60 degree and each angle is 60 degree. Now we start worksheet 2. In worksheet 2, the first question is worksheet 2. Question number 1. Here, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 44 degree, AB is equal to AC. Find angle B and angle C. Solution. First we make a triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC, in which angle A is equal to 44 degree. Also given that AB is equal to AC, and you have to find angle B and angle C. Since in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, it means angle opposite to equal side angle, this implies angle C is equal to angle B. क्या लिखेंगे? By which property? If AB is equal to AC, then angle C is equal to angle B. By which property? Angle opposite to equal side angle opposite to equal side are equal. Angle opposite to equal side are equal. Let angle C is equal to angle B is equal to x degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. By which property? By angle sum property. By angle sum property. Here angle A is equal to 44 degree, angle A is equal to 44 degree, angle B is equal to x degree, angle C is equal to x degree is equal to 180 degree. So we write 2x is equal to 180 minus 44. It means तो क्या हो गया? 2x is equal to 180 minus 44 degree. So 180 minus 44, that is 136 degree. So x is equal to 136 by 2, that is 68 degree. So angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 68 degree. This is the answer. Now question number 2. In question number 2, here given that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, with PQ is equal to PR. If angle R is equal to 42 degree, find the measure of angle P. Find the measure of angle P. Find the measure of angle P. Solution. First you make a triangle PQR. Here given that PQ is equal to PR, angle R is equal to 42 degree, and you have to find the measure of angle P. Given क्या है? In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR. It means PQ. It means angle R is equal to angle. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to PR. It means the opposite angle of PQ, that is angle R, and the opposite angle of PR, that is Q. So angle R is equal to angle Q. By which property? Angle opposite to equal side angle opposite two equal side are equal. By which property? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. But given angle R is equal to 42 degree, so angle Q is equal to also 42 degree. Angle Q is equal to also 42 degree. Now in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. By which property? By angle sum property. By angle sum property. By angle sum property. So here angle P is not given, but angle Q is 42 degree. Angle R is also 42 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is equal to 180, 42 plus 44, that is 84 degree. After subtracting we get 96 degree. So angle P is equal to 96 degree. This is the answer. Now in question number 3. In question number 3, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. If angle B is equal to 40 degree, what are the measure of angle A and angle C? Here given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. If angle B is equal to 40 degree, what are the measure of angle A and angle C? You have to measure the angle A and angle C. First you make a triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC, in which given that AB and AC are equal. Also given that angle B is equal to 40 degree, and you have to find angle A and angle C. Correct? Solution: in triangle ABC, given AB is equal to AC, we know that angle opposite to equal side are equal. So opposite angle of AB, that is angle C, and opposite angle of AC, that is angle B. By which property? Angle opposite to equal side are equal. Angle opposite to equal side are equal. But angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle B and C are equal, so angle C is also 40 degree. Now in triangle ABC, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property, that is ASP. Here angle A not given, but angle B is equal to 40 degree, angle C is also 40 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 80 degree, that is 100 degree. So angle A is 100 degree. This is the answer. In question number 4, here given that the vertical angle of an isosceles triangle is 100 degree. Find its base angle. First you make a triangle. This is triangle ABC. Name them A, B, C. This angle is vertical angle. This angle is vertical angle. Suppose this is 100 degree. This is 100 degree. You have to find base angle, and triangle is isosceles. Suppose AB is equal to AC. So let triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 40 degree. So base angle is equal to 40 degree. Now question number 5. In question number 5, in the figure, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC. Find the value of X and Y. We make a triangle ABC. This is triangle A, B, C. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is X degree. And this angle is Y degree. You have to find angle A and angle X and angle Y. You have to find the value of X and Y. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. It means the angle opposite to this angle opposite to side AB is equal to this angle C. Angle ACB is equal to angle ABC. ठीक है, is equal to X late. Now in triangle X नहीं मान लो, इसको मान लो क्या मान लें, XYZ मान लो, क्योंकि XY ऑलरेडी इन्वॉल्व है. इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंगल A प्लस एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल ACB इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री बाय विच प्रॉपर्टी, बाय एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. 30 डिग्री प्लस Z इक्वल टू हो गया 180 डिग्री. इट मीन्स 2Z इक्वल टू 180 माइनस